ang mga foreigners kasi, they really leave their home country to go to the Philippines to find their wife for 2 reasons na hindi na nila nakikita sa home country nila. One is the family traditional values. This is coming from my clients, ha? Women here in Western countries, many of them, their focus is career.
Yeah, totoo naman.
Not family life na. And it makes sense. It's hard. It's also a hard life. So it makes sense that they really focus on their career. But tayo kasi sa Pilipinas, parang, tell me if I'm wrong, na bata pa lang nakalagay na sa utak natin na mamimit natin yung prince.
Tama!
Totoo.
Tama!
Hopeless romantic.
Hopeless romantic tayo. So it's really one of the best countries to find your wife because early on, we really want to have family. So that's one. That's the family-oriented and family values. The second one and the most important one is the femininity. And you'd be surprised because 99% of women in our database are strong, independent women. Pero, kasi gusto ko nga, syempre, dapat may sarili silang career, may sarili silang life. Pero, feminine pa din.
Oo.